Dirikunyara baba. Dirikunyara baba. Hey Chichet fam, hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ash. Yo. Guys, as much as I wanted to be silent on this story, but people keep coming on my inboxes telling me to just say something about this story. So guys, you all know that Taka Senyika, we managed to support Mai Jeremaya after the rape case. It was a business, right? I'm sure you all know the summary of the story. But now here is the thing. After all those things, Mai Titi wakatopindira and she was in support. And wakatomboti, hey, Mai Titi muno, no, I'm just helping as a lady. I know the pain. But later, Mai Titi wakatozonati, Yui, pakato shata. And stuff like that. So let me go straight to what is happening now. So from the latest update, Mai Jeremaya, this is what happened, guys, and you'll be shocked. And as a girl, as a lady, I'm not even proud. Anzi Ashley Masendeka, aka Mai Jeremaya, cross-examination in the rape case at the magistrate court in Zwei. You told the court that you removed your clothes on your own, asked Shepherd Makonde, lawyer of the two men accused of rape. Then Mai Jeremaya said yes. You told the court that you sat on the bed with the accused person. Then Mai Jeremaya said yes. Are you the one who removed the bra and pulling stockings? Then she said, yes, I was told to do so. Really? Is that still a rape? Then he did not jump on you. He started fondling your breast to solicit consent in a romantic moment, Makonde said. Then she was like, it was not romantic. I was crying and was told to stop crying. Then is it true that you went on top of him during the sex act? She can say yes. Is it correct that you directed his into your vagina? Then she also said yes, because he had failed. It was painful when he tried to insert his Then he said also, in your statement you said it was Charlie who removed your bra and not yourself. Then she also said yes. Then they went on asking, you did not tell the police you removed your bra and the stockings on your own according to police statement. Then she said, I did not use those exact words. You did not tell the police that you were the one on top riding the accused person. Then she said, I told them, but they did not include it. If I had known that I should include all the nitty-gritties, I should have done it. Guys. And now Shadaya Abaati Anzi, okay, so she removed your own clothes, went on top, inserted the ding dong inside, took some money afterwards. Miss Kwaim sat fendere, Mai Jeremaya. So that's the latest update, guys, and we don't know what's gonna happen. So maybe it was a deal from day one, but then the guys didn't pay her well. Then she was like, okay, I'll expose you. But now it's something that Chadzoka. Guys, what do you think about this story? Let me know what you think in the comment section, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Give me a big thumbs up, guys, and also tell me what you have in mind for our lady, our girl. And I'm not married, I'm cohabiting with my daddy, calls the husband for 8 years with 3 babies, guys. And now I'm not married, really. And it's someone about the husband. Do you know the husband also akatomsapota mukadzi wake aiwa chichichichi and vanhu vakati iwe miswa iwe. But well, it is what it is, guys. What do you think about the whole story? Drugs. Then someone was saying, honestly, the husband should make sure I end up my DNA, because now it's something. Then Shadayana Sekage. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye, guys.